Welcome to the University of Abuja, the Center of Excellence, the Center of Distance Learning and Continuing Education. I am Professor Peter Shia, the Director of the Center. The open and distance learning education you are about to embark on is a mode of delivery that will assist you considering your status, your state, and wherever you are located. We are very much aware of the barriers you may encounter in the course of the program. However, we have a well-prepared arrangement to redress all these problems that may emanate in the course of the studies. We have so many services that are available for our students, our prospective students indeed. Our websites are robust and you can always get all required information from it. We have the learner support system through ticketing. Students will lay their problems and complaints and they will easily be addressed. We also have online global payment system where you can buy your form anywhere at any location in this country. You can pay your fees. Payment of your fee can be paid from everywhere or any bank in the nation. We also have robust portal management. It is all-inclusive with all-inclusive learning management system. Our virtual library is up and you can link through any library that will assist you in the course of your study. Our information assistant guidance is also there for counseling of our students. We have professional counselors that are easily available for students to access. Wish you a memorable and wonderful study period even as you embark on this journey. Thank you very much.